Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Show Me Tint. I'm Randy, this is Show Me Tint. Show Me Tint, this is Randy. So I got into some news for you today. Our how-tos have been popping. People have been loving them. I've been thinking about this one that I don't want to tell you, but I'm going to tell you right now because I think it's going to be popular. I think it's going to save you some dough. This way is one of the first way I learned to tint taillights. This is way back in the day, a long time ago. It came out, this is a pretty old school method that I learned how to do right. And if you follow these steps, it'll be beautiful. But if you skip a step, you're gonna mess your taillight up. You're gonna be mad. So do not skip anything. Pay attention, watch the video a couple times. Don't miss it because it sucks. I've messed them up personally. You like fisheye them, you make them blurry, and you can't get this stuff off very easily. So if you're skeptical about your abilities, or if you care about your car, have one of us do it. It's pretty cheap. Get it. I'll run you through the steps. First thing you gotta do is have a guy to help you. Just because I don't like doing all the hard work. I had Hunter help me over there. Hunter, thanks for helping.
Anytime.
He's donated his vehicle today to show this video. Yeah, so we took the taillights out, right, Hunter?
Yeah.
Okay, so we took the taillights out. We got one out already for you, and we got one kind of sitting in there. Your taillights are on the rear of the car, in case you didn't know that. No big deal. These are we call like a two-piece taillight. So look, this is kind of like, you might run into this. This goes into here, check it out. Boom, taillight. This wire actually does not go here. It goes like in here. We don't want to scuff your car up so nice. You know what I mean? So we're gonna run through a couple things. This clears your reverse. So a lot of times I think it looks jazzy to like tape your clear off, and that's physically what we're gonna do. We're gonna tape this off and not tint the clear part. You have an option to tint that part when you're doing this, but in my opinion, it looks a little splotchy. So I like to leave it crisp, clean, and give it a nice factory look. So the first thing you wanna do is, we're gonna start prepping the surface. A way to protect your vehicle is to remove your taillight. The reason you wanna remove your taillight is because you don't wanna get overspray on your car when you're tinting the taillight. It's super important. I've actually tried it on the car before. It didn't go well. So it's a mess. It's a hot mess. So let's do it. You got one ready yet? All right, let's do it. What we're throwing together over here is like a little workstation. These are some of the items you're gonna need. Heat gun, Wagner, Amazon. Don't forget it. You know what I mean? You gotta have it. Hot, cold, hot, cold. And I think these are universal. These will like burn you or your tail light. So keep the hot end away from anything flammable. Okay, and then what we need, this stuff, also available on Amazon. This is the cheapest way that I know of to tint your tail lights. Do not tint your headlights. Listen to me, do not do it. You're gonna be tempted to do it, do not do it. It's bad, it's all bad. And don't mess up because it's super bad. PHC. And we got, masking tape. We're gonna need that. Any tape will do, but you can also get this on Amazon. 3M automotive tape, right? So watch the process, how we do this. We'll do like one of those cool like fast forwarding deals where the tape's already on there. Okay, the snap finger thing? I like that too. Let's try that. Check it out. That was easy, wasn't it? Looks factory. All right, now I'm gonna show you how we did it real quick. We had a little bit of a change in plans while we were doing that video. That's pretty wild. Well, that's gonna be interesting to see how that turns out. So this is how it looks before we get started. I'll show you kind of what we did. This is pretty hard to see where to trim out the excess. And so what we use is a light. And you can use any light. You can use a flashlight, not a night light. A good way to try to do it is to light it up from the back. From the back is always good. Hold the light, would you, the Hunter there this time? Actually hold it. Yeah, if you can get it from the back, I always say take it from the back, but sometimes you have to get it from the front. We're gonna hit it from the front. Look, check it out. So you hit it from the light it up. Look, can you see that okay? And that works pretty universal with most tapes and lights. But if you don't have your hand-eye coordination together, you may want to just tint your light because we don't want you to mess up your tail light. This is not what this video is for. But I am putting on some game. I'm putting you on some game right now, so pay attention. I made a lot of money like this. I do this for people all the time, and I never wanted to show anybody. But now, I'm trying to spread the knowledge, grow people. I hope you help me grow the channel for sharing all this knowledge. Just take the knowledge. Make sure you drop us a like for it too, okay? Be like, oh man, I like that. I can do that. I'm gonna like this video because it'd be super cool if you did. I just hate that we can't be jamming out to music while we're like listening, doing the YouTube shots. When we're rich enough, I'm definitely gonna be like playing Gucci Mane to like come sing for us or something. You have to beep that out? We said Gucci Mane? No? Okay. He sends me a bill. Dude, what's up? Said my name too many times. Slow and steady wins the race. Kind of want these to be as factory as possible. At the end of the day, it's your tail light. So if you mess it up, it's on you. Yeah, we're not responsible for it. Whatever the case. This is on your own stuff. All right, we're gonna jump right into tinting it. We'll put Hunter trimming out the rest of these while we're doing this, but we're gonna get this ready first. One of the things we like to do is clean the light, right? So you can clay bar it. You can get it completely dust free. I prefer to use like an alcohol water mix. I've also used glass cleaner in the past, but it's super important that it's clean. And then we're gonna show you the magic. 2 steps that are super important. Heat gun, I like to leave it running during the whole time. This will be on for the remainder of the performance. You gotta move pretty quick. Shake it up. That, kind of like one of those, that's fine. Do that. See if we can get the behind the back. There we go. Good and shook up. It's important to me to make sure the light is kind of warm. I feel like it accepts this a little better, and I don't know if I don't know the science behind it, right? I've just figured out how to do this really good. So if someone on there is like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about, I don't know. I've only done this like 7,000 times. So I get it kind of warm, and then we go to town. Try it like this. Kind of get a good bead of things. And what I'm doing is trying to do really overlapping passes. I've taught a lot of young men to do this here. You see how like hazy it's looking? That can be pretty scary. I've seen a lot of lights turn out hazy. And what I'm trying to do is just keep it even and coated. And I'm looking at it, and I'm seeing where it's lighter and darker at. I'm trying to make sure I'm keeping it going even. You can see it kind of getting wet, right? And you don't want to put it on too thick, because if you put it on too thick, you'll get a run, just like normal paint. So now it's getting good and coated. I think that's pretty good tinted. Hunter, you like that? It's gonna be your car. All right. All right, so immediately attack it with the heat. This is the key. This is the little magic. The heat is like glossing it out. And you'll see it like it's starting to like lock that shine in. That haziness is going away. This is a step a lot of people skip. I see them come in with dull lights and they're like, what did I do wrong? I'm like, man, I wish I could tell you, but I would rather charge you. So I'm giving it away now. Here you go. All you gotta do is subscribe and watch your YouTube channel. You'll be learning stuff all the time. Now that it's getting nice and shiny, getting harder and harder, you want it good and hard, right, Hunter? Yes. Yes. We were talking about tinting, obviously. Does it look shiny? Does it look new? Does it look sexy? Come at me, Brittany. What up? So really, you want this to chill. Like, you're tempted to just pull this off right now. I am too, because I want to show it to you. You don't want to get a thumbprint or fingerprint in your light, as we've learned. Yeah, everybody does it at least once. Give it some good drying time, all right? Offer yourself some good ventilation, because you don't want to like just breathe this stuff in. I don't think it's good for you. I don't know for sure, but the dry time is really subjective to like the temperature and everything. But really, you know, we're gonna wrap this up in 15-20 minutes. We'll be ready to pop this baby back on the car. The heat really dries it, but just in case you missed a spot or whatever, we like to let it set for a minute. It's super easy to grab it a little early and leave a fingerprint in it. I've done that so many times, and if you do that, then you can kind of sand it. Or removing this stuff is an animal bear. You do not want to use like acetone and stuff on it, because you can crack the lens, which I personally have done and had to buy taillights. So definitely practice on your own vehicle, you know, or somebody that really likes you. We're gonna let this dry for a minute and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we're getting a little bit of chance to dry. I wanted to kind of show you the finished product. Remember, this is all you needed. A little bit of heat gun, some nightshades, something to clean it with, a microfiber. So you want to peel your tape off, and then you'll see your reverse light shining through. I really like the way it looks with like, if you have like chrome accents or something like that. I think it always looks nice. It's super fun. Just don't skip the heat step. Don't go too heavy with it. Boom, baby. Tinted. Yeah. Brand new, baby. So now we're going to install the tail lights so you can see the, oh, don't forget the bulbs. This is the part where you really figure out if you let it dry long enough. Because if you didn't, you'll know. You're gonna be like, why do I have a painted thumb? Super easy project. Literally, anybody can do it. I love this part. Hunter. Yeah, geez. He really is a student. Always test your brake lights after removing them 100% of the time. The last thing we want is somebody to make an error like that. Let's jump in there and see what's up. So you can still see them. Brake lights working. Cheapest way to tint your tail lights that I know of. If you know a cheaper way, drop me a comment. Show it to me. I'll be glad to make a video on that. So I love it. I hope you guys enjoy doing it. It's super fun, super easy. You can do that to anything. Just be careful. Follow all the steps. It's important not to skip those. Clean your surface. Don't go too heavy with it. Something what we're talking about, why we're doing that, I thought of. You know, try to keep it even. Like, don't just think about even like this, but keep it even distance from the light. Like how this curves. You know, that was super important. When we had the camera off, Hunter was doing the other side, and he was kind of just like doing it straight. You know, so you got to think it's going to get a wider fan out if you get farther away. So just try to keep it even, you know, and that'll give you an even coat. And hit it with heat immediately. Watch it gloss out. Call your mom or something and say, look what I just did. I'm sick. I got this. Show me tint, I'm coming for you. All right, peace out, guys. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like it if you're going to do this. Don't forget. Don't just take the tip. Make sure you hit the like. All right, peace out.